Kwame, matches in Basso over the weekends and every day. I mean, we should be at a crowd fire House of Folk games now. Kwame, Maniaji or Miniano submission, and you see, today be a Kwame players no more and my coaches near issues because Oshe, I mean, boy House of Folk able. Kwame, most of them games in Nano do draw now. I was House of Folk winning. Do draw now. I was House of Folk winning
by force.
Oh no, like Oshe game no more. Any chances are Kwame Omunya esquandana. Clearly it tells you that Omu a disappointed a team no, especially strikers no. Because anyway, Oshe chances are Omunya na almost squander chance no Omu botu guna Kwame. In fact, this time around, I mean you look at no strikers in Kwame they lack a lot. Omu lucky. No Kwame. Yes. Me no ya adwon ho. Me no ya adwon ho because omo lucky a lot. I'm tempted to believe say I say games no mo ya omo hwe no kwa. And after games no they don't reflect on what happened air pitch so. Because Kwame moment we see but who corrections are these guys Kwame omo here. Esia they be an e be kwa ba no mo say repeat the same thing. So I don't know. So omo hwe games omo hwe matches Kwame, omo hwe omo no Kwame de na omo sua fi omo. After saying ne omo ankasa bo games no, Kwame to omo nya adaje hwe omo highlight no. Ehu mistakes omo ye say ne after training po no Kwame ye be correct these mistakes no. And chances are hwe omo nya say no Kwame. No, you can't continue to disappoint a teams in this because already the coaches ni bi ya Kwame. Omo ye bibia say ene ombetimi ma teams na wini but to the bia aya players ni so Kwame omo keka omo kakra because players ni bebre ma teams ni bi elusu points Kwame. I believe that they can do better. Okay, so House of 4 guys no Kwame animu ho de me giri say omo keka omo ho because points now omo lose ni Kwame say defenders ye omo adwuma midfielders ye omo adwuma muna aka no mo be shego because defenders and midfielders no they say omo ball adwuma say they be ya nei Kwame omo team concede goal any more for no chances no so nyese mba eba. So what are you doing Kwame? At least mo fa bi into net eba sa agbo say game no league no e koso no e bedu moment bi no na otu woni hwe wachi a ulu su points bi wo kwan mu a Kwame na sa moment no won say we a big mistake because over the weekends the House of Folk draw no koboy no. I believe that now House of Folk bet menya 3 maximum points. Kwame omo ekonya only 1 point and so I me gidi say players we Kwame omo keka omo na going forward omo timi correct omo mistakes no na omo timi keka omo kakra. Now Kumasa Santi Kotoko games Kwame no na more ding for both sides no, and again a buy no utimi say na Aduana Stars Kwame, yes they were happy because of say at least momentini amfa lose anko Aduana 1 point no munya no. Yes now omu free say no ma ba kum yedu bi akoye dey but at the end of the day me believe say ene omu timi nya 1 point no na ebe etimi aboa omu e wo honom. And on the side of Kotoko so no Kwame na me gidi say disappointment kakraba because na supporters no do na nkasa free say ne Aduana no yes omu this season form no omu ekeka omu ho dey but na ni omu free say omu betimi aye the need for no match 3 match
some demonstration.
Etiama coach nana. Some the letter badada. Now demonstration say na ye kan House of Folk abo na wabodra. Uzo ko demonstration.
Ntinyambo chambe demonstration.
Oh, omo pa dada but me nya sure say House of Folk match ni tia ana me ba Kwame.
The minche.
Ba wo say omo dey communicate ba say won timi an share House of Folk a. Omo be kwa omo be pushi management say omo pam no. Ana ampa won timi an share House of Folk. Ntino Kwame we well I can't games no. Kwame Tenadu. Kwame Tenadu. Kotoko nya no kwan. January Kotoko nya no kwan.
Simple sir.
Kotoko nya no kwan.
Samuel Tenadu.
Yes Kwame. Abrante na kasa Kwame. Permit checks. Abrante na kasa no Kwame is willing to leave Kotoko.
Samuel Tenadu.
I'm telling you for a fact. Kwame.
The reason you're dying.
Kwame, you see
the reason here then.
On say no a game ni din ya.
Coach ni in first half now.
Yes. And otie o se na me atakra o ye LPM se na me atakra din komo. utie coach Zito and Simbi Okan say na abrante no cry alisu focus no I confused na man yi game a man yi ni from inside
no players me I was at the put match I say players are multiple both two positions player for no philosophy no player multiple both two positions is all a player now to me obe mo atena baby na de obe boss na watumi amanabo by bizan pusma was a decision a technique or meba into tactical decision on take here the Tenadu
tactical.
It was tactical because there's responsibility. Football is about taking and giving responsibilities. So the moment you see coach, somebody is going in and the coach is talking to him, it means he's giving you responsibilities. So the moment you go in and you don't do it, it means still we couldn't do anything. You see, I normally say I don't like a footballer who plays one position. I don't like you. This is me. You can be loved by any other coach, but me, I don't like it. You understand me? So you should be ever ready. It's do this, don't do this. Do this, do this. The football, what football is about. So I saw he was confused. He doesn't know what to do. So definitely, I have to draw him and then put in somebody to take over. But when he came out again, I realized he's also getting injured. So right now, there's ice block around the knee. This is a problem I'm facing.
Zuba.
Kwame, so you see, coach and I who said Tenadu, no, I confused. Tactically, now Branton were off. And you see, Kwame and some but I believe, company for any more is at stake. And going forward, I'm bet me aye, and your man, a beboa player now, boa a club. No player no is willing to leave. And Kwame, Mejiri say, I was penny for Shanoko. A Branton, Kwame. Ni dimina ni nyoma we nyina you could see say he's down. Tenadu very 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 down. Enye enno match ni per se. But right from season ni saga ne buy ni sa ne oma no ni nan kanfo ano Kwame abrante no enoma emoye din e di ama no. So mejiri say Alice living Kotoko ana obodi na ni be kire ba bi na wodnya ni peace of mind dia bo ni game ni Kwame. I believe say e be boa guy. So I'm just hoping if empenifo beti na omaye nyoma ba kumenu bia fa wa Kwame megiri se bebo abrante na boa kumase asante Kotoko. And again senior na ye ka no menim se Kotoko e dia January signings nsu beba eno de January signings kakra e beba be wuram wo Kotoko ntino Kwame omunya ne omaye kakra e wo honum na going forward nyoma ntimi nyeyi emfama e ye wo mo Kwame again supporters ni bio
Kotoko supporters.
Yes. Kwame, still on my own can form. On my own can form because team no bad o. Asante Kotoko team Kwame this season and bad sao. So me believe say I was say supporters a bad stadium Kwame. Omo babro sa because omo a yehu omo enra no. E kamia kwa say aye static eno akwara mse nipa ba kakra bi uhwe previous matches on mabo ene eno akwame e kamia kwa say supporters no omo ba no omo aneba omo ba no Kwame ase omo aneba. I believe they can do better Kwame omo support team no omo mbo team no because team no a performance this season they are doing so well. Kwame enye is say obebo 11 matches now only 2 matches. Yes me say Kotoko outstanding games bi ehihemu de but ohwe performance omo de ama this season na Kwame omo nye bad sa. So the biano and Kwame again lawyer Safuduku Kwame matches no omo so nkeka omo kakra especially Kotoko home games no
with a promo.
Yes Kwame wo form papa
see ara me nam na makohu Swadro ne has game no. Jack, Ghana for pebo.
Kwame, emi say Kotoko ne has ana struggle.
But mu kwa away away from papa.
I say ana
because Sabis mark anya pictures na. Nko for koi pa. Jack. And we hear Kotoko ne has omo bo home games no. Support nin kosa no Jack. How do you know?
Kwame, who say away games no so no. One thing eboa aye omo no. O say almost stadiums na almost so sa but we amount of money almost gina
e was
sure and again we nipa e kona kwame at least we sika na almost gina was sure na nipa na e be kono so kokakra e balance o books no and oko different venues enye kumasa sante koroko na ebo ma na azufuk na ebo ma you could feel say amount for do na eko he games no
and we kono mo tia be 20 series
oh yes me nya sure so on budget 10 series
wouldn't say koroko has score away o mo G50
o mo G sika no kosro bebre
bekum na ze wo kwa akogina wo say na 50 Ghana na VIP I think 100 we say 200 series so
akunya kwen wa
transfer na no wala ko abankasi o mo G ba bia 50 no maji I think VIP was 200 we say 150
you see
and when he has score ye o ma mi free gate
David
paid
ntino kwame
koroko ne has so
ntino kwame me de lawyer Safudu kwame de me catch lawyer ne say on keka no ho enye interviews nkwane eye PR no enye interviews nkwane I mean eye communication no kwame de here won pa ye match day no match na ekoso no kwame promo ebekom ye bete wonka kwame ukona ukotna baby na we interview 1-2 a enye no na ye bibi o ye won sem bi on ma yeso betimi akoka bet matches ne de kwame la Safudu kume nti o monka na promo no nkom especially when Kotoko ebo home sa because kwame na kwame uti den Kotoko ebo home games na uti den compared to first the na ekoso ni uti den ontewe ye ha se krampo no etore bia gise ni ankasa ene ye kohwe omo jingles ni abebo kwame meboa
oh it's true
by ni kwase pasa ye na ye ti ha se na at least mo bi me ehu ni e kono kwala gise ye momu e sa akochini e ko pe mo jingles no ne akom ya sa abebo
promo ndi e form
so what are you doing into blame supporters kwame lo Safudu kunso so no owo adwuma ye
ba koroko supporters nenzo da bia mutie radio da bia eka koroko bobo elisa ya Safudu kunso station
o tie radio kwame wo na o be
pede
David kwame
pede wa kra be search for information and radio stations nenso TV stations are
kwame David
and koroko bobo e de ya o be se koroko bobo I say nyame adma Wednesday koroko bobo omni young apostles at 3 p.m. What? And you a supporter, then I'll be. You go there and support the team.
In marketing, you free be packaging, branding.
Yeah.
And see, so one packaging and farm more.
Yes.
I think they will not come on board. And see, it's all about packaging. Say, Omomra games, you know.